Hey everybody, it's Rob from Rovidix Media. In this video, we're going to talk about Roku recipes for WP Smart TV. And this is a way to categorize your videos into rows on the Roku Direct Publisher platform. So to get started, we're going to click the Roku settings and make sure that our Enable Categories in Feed for Roku is enabled. And click Save Changes. Then we're going to go down to Roku Recipes. So once inside, you'll notice that we have a box here with all kinds of buttons. So let's go through what they all mean. First up, we have our category name. This is the name of the category that we're going to want to give it. So for this example, I'm going to call it Dramatic Comedy. Next, we're going to select the order that we want the videos to be displayed in the row. So I actually want these in chronological order. And then we're going to select a query type. So and or. You get your choice there. And those come into play with this section down here, the tags. So any tags you have added will show up here, and you can select them from the list. So for dramatic comedy, obviously we're going to want comedy and drama. Now we can choose to, in our query type, to have this and or. So if we had it set for and, it will get videos that have the tag comedy and drama. So if your video only has comedy or only has drama, they won't appear in the list, only the ones that have both tags. If you switch it to or, it will grab videos that have either tag. So if it only has one of the tags, it will grab it. If it has both of the tags, it will grab it. So I'm going to add another one, and we're going to call this Amazing Fiction. And then our order, we'll go with most popular. Now the most popular is actually taken from Roku stats, so there's nothing you can do to change any of that, just a little FYI. Your query type, we're just going to go or, and we're going to click fiction and blockbusters. And then I realized that, no, actually, we want our query type to be and. So we want blockbusters that are fiction. So each one of these recipes is going to represent a different row on your Roku device. So, for example, you'll notice that there's two rows here, technology and water cooler. So for this example, dramatic comedy and amazing fiction, we'd have dramatic comedy up here and amazing fiction here, and all the videos would show up here. So of course you can move these around by using the move up and move down buttons. So we move it up, amazing fiction goes to the top, dramatic comedy down to the bottom, and we're just going to save the changes. Let's add a third one. Just for this example, I'm going to call it Test 3. And we'll just go with most recent and blockbuster comedy. And now I've decided that I don't like dramatic comedies anymore, so I'm just going to remove the recipe. And I like Test 3 better, and I like Amazing Fiction, so I'm going to move that up. And there we go. Click Save, and now your Roku recipes are ready to go. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Next up, we're going to talk about shortcodes and show you a little quick tip with Elementor Pro.